Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Mara and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my new MacBook Pro, y'all. I am so excited to have finally got this because I've had this MacBook Air for almost 5 years and it's been with me through so much. It's been with me through high school, college, coding assignments, coding projects. Needless to say, her time is up. Like, she has done what she needed to do. It was getting really slow, so I have to put her to rest. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over the specs for both of my laptops, both new and old. I'm going to be showing you the accessories that I got for my laptop. I will be unboxing the laptop and also customizing it, so stay to the very end to see the final result. This MacBook Pro is 16 inches. It is the 2020 model. I got 32 gigabytes of RAM with 1 terabyte of storage, and it also has an AMD graphics card. Now this MacBook Air, I believe it is a 2016 model. It had 4 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. I don't believe it had a graphics card. It put me through a lot. Let's just say that it put me through a lot. And I remember specifically one time in class that we were installing a virtual machine, and the program was like, you need at least 4 gigabytes of RAM to install this program. And I was like, all I have is 4 gigabytes of RAM. So that's when I knew I had to upgrade, so which is why I got such a huge upgrade in the RAM, so I can edit videos a lot quicker and be able to just put videos out on a more consistent basis. I'm going to start unboxing this MacBook, and let's first give an applause to the people who shipped this out, because this design, this packaging, impeccable. Like, I don't even have to use scissors to open this because they already have a tab ready for me here. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's start. Oh, whoa. That is nice. Very nice. Okay, take out all the wrap. That's so satisfying. I never thought that would be so satisfying, but it really is. And let's just start opening it up. How does this? Oh, okay. Taking it up. Trying to be careful. All right, whoa. Oh, gosh. And then they have another tab inside of this, so let's see, is that? Oh my god. Apple, you don't have to do us like that. Like, look at how they just make it so easy for you. Look how they just make it so easy for us. Okay. Wow. So that is that. Put it over here. Wow. This is nice. I believe I got this in space gray. Could be wrong. Let's open it and see. Wow, look at the keyboard and everything. So nice. Y'all, the packaging, like, can we give them a round of applause? Like, I took it off, and the Apple logo, impeccable, impeccable, impeccable. So it also came with this charger as well. This is a USB-C charger, and I'm gonna keep lifting this up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
These speakers, clear. My MacBook Air could never. So this is the adapter, and let me see if there's anything else that goes along with this. Let me see. Okay, this is the instructions manual. I don't think there's anything else. Like, there's nothing on the bottom of this. So I'm just gonna get to configuring it, and then after I configure it and put my accessories on it, I'll show you all how to customize your MacBook. I got quite a few accessories for my laptop, so I'm going to go ahead now and show that to you all. First thing that I got was this case. I think it's so cute. I really like abstract art, so I decided to get this case for it is a 16-inch case cover because my MacBook is 16 inches, and it also has a keyboard cover, which is really helpful because it will prevent me from getting fingertips and touches and all that grime and dirt and all that stuff on my computer. So glad that I got this. The next thing that I got is a touch bar cover and screen protector. So I got this because the MacBook Pro 2020 has a touch bar on it, so I wanted to also prevent me from getting some of like my fingertip touches on it and dirt and grime, all that stuff, so it will protect against that. I also got a tempered glass screen protector, and the reason why I got this is just so I can protect my screen from anything. You know, sometimes you drop your laptop or something happens and you just want to make sure that because you invested so much in your technology that you are able to protect it. So I just really doubled down on trying to protect all my tech. So this is the screen protector. And the last thing I got is a USB-C hub, and the MacBook Pro 2020 has 3 USB-C hubs, and I got this so it would allow me to plug in my regular USB cable that is 3.0. I got this for an SD card, HDMI cable, just so I can plug any other cables into my computer because there only are 3 USB-C ports. I'm going to show you how to customize your MacBook. So I'm going to start with the wallpaper that I made for my desktop, the icons that I have in the top left corner. I want to explain to you hot corners and why I installed them on my computer, and lastly I'll move on to accent colors. So let's start with the wallpaper. I'm going to open up my browser, and once I'm in my browser, I am going to go to a website called Canva. On Canva, you can design multiple things. I use this to design my wallpaper. I'm going to open up the one that I already designed for reference. And you want to either search up desktop wallpaper, or if this is an option here, you can also click this. It'll give you a blank canvas, and you can use and upload pictures onto Canva and then drag them on to create your collage. I got these pictures that I use for this wallpaper off of Pinterest. So I'm going to go to my Pinterest. I'll link my Pinterest down below. You can use my board if you're interested, and I have a board of just purple pictures. And what I'll do is I'll select one of the pictures, right click that, put save image as, and I'll save that to my desktop. I prefer to save things to my desktop because I believe that it's just easier and I can go in and delete them later. So I'll save them to my desktop, and you want to go back to Canva. You're going to go back to that blank template. You're going to click upload. Click this upload an image or video. Click device. And you can see that this image that we downloaded is now in our desktop folder. But what I did is I saved multiple images, and I actually made a folder called Purple Pictures. So I press Command A to select all of them, and you can upload all of them, and I click open. So now that you've uploaded those images, you can drag them onto the template and just play around with them to your liking. You can move things backward to the front in order to just get the wallpaper that you like. I'm going to go back to the wallpaper that I've already created. So once you've made your wallpaper, I then will go to download. I want to click download, and it's going to download this wallpaper file. Now you want to go to this Apple logo. You're going to hit System Preferences, and in your System Preferences you're going to click on Desktop Screensaver. You want to hit Desktop, and Because we put this image in our downloads, it is now appearing here for us to select. You can click this image, and I suggest to change this option to stretch to fill screen so it will look the best on your screen. That is how you'll customize your wallpaper and upload this onto your desktop. Now we're gonna move on to customizing our icons. This took me a while to learn how to do, but I found a way that is really easy. So there's a YouTuber who actually has a link to desktop icons. I'm gonna copy this link and you can open URL to go to this website, and she has a bunch of different desktop icons that you can download. I downloaded the white butterfly and also stars, many different ones. So you can click on this one, and once you click on it, you're gonna go right click, save image as. You can save that to desktop. I'm gonna save that on my desktop, and I'm gonna go back to my desktop. As you can see, there is this one folder named desktop icons that I have not yet put an icon on it. So what I'm gonna do is go to this desktop image that I just downloaded. I'm gonna click on that. You wanna select Command A to select all, then you're gonna click Command C to copy. Then you're gonna open up this desktop icon. You're gonna right click it, and you're gonna go to Get Info. Once you go to Get Info, you're gonna click this icon here on the top and then press Command V to paste the new image. And now you can see there is now a new icon. So that is how to customize your icons. The next thing we will be customizing is our hot corners. So I'm gonna go to this Apple logo, click System Preferences. In your System Preferences search bar, you can search up hot corners. Click that. You want to go down to this icon, click that as well, and you are then going to pick whatever corners you want for your hot corners. So I will select this as my screensaver hot corner. This can be for my launch pad, and I'll click another one for my notification center. Press OK. And so what these allow you to do is when you hover your mouse over on that corner, it will pop up whatever option you selected. So as you can see, this showed my screensaver, this showed my notification center, and now this shows my launch pad. That is how to customize your hot corners. The last thing we'll be customizing are our accent colors. So you want to go to this Apple logo, hit System Preferences. In that search bar, you can then search accent color. And you can change your accent color. So if you've noticed that when I click on different things, it has a purple highlight, and you can just change the different colors. So if I change it to pink, it would change those colors to pink. I pick purple to just go along with the theme. You want to make sure that change this accent color as well as its highlight color, and that is how to change your accent color. These are the steps that I took to customize my MacBook Pro, and I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Thank you all for watching my video on unboxing and customizing my MacBook Pro 2020. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram to keep up with when I will next post a video, and like, comment, subscribe. These are hard times. Help your girl out, and I'll see you in the next video.